second graders. Here we are on Thursday the 16th to go over your math page. Alrighty. Let's start with number 1 up here. On this one, you're going to be working with place value, but you're going to have to know what place value is to the 10,000s. So you already know, let's say them together. This is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and you guessed it, that's the 10,000s. So in this problem, you have to write 10,000 more than each number, so it's the digit in the 10,000s place that's going to change. So the answer to this one would be, the 2 would change to a 3, 33,671. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for this one. On problem 2, you're writing products, which is the answer to multiplication, and the twins for it. So you know it's the same answer. These should be pretty easy because it is multiplication of 3. So you're going to be using your counting by threes, skip counting, in order to figure those out. On number 3, you're finding perimeter, which you can find an extra little page in your bubblegum brain packet on perimeter. So you should probably know these pretty well. To find the total around a shape like this one, you would just add the digits to get the total perimeter around, and it's inches. Number 4, you're doing addition and subtraction. Number 5, you have to write plus, minus, times, or divide for these number sentences. Number 6. This one says, Marco and his family took water on their hike. Mark the circle under the measure used for liquids. Do you think you would use yards, pounds, pints, or kilograms? Well, that definitely wouldn't make sense. You're not going to pour liquid on a ruler, right? Let's see if you can figure it out. Have you tried to guess yet? You got it. It would be the pints. Okay, on number 7, we're doing mixed numbers. You know mixed numbers are a whole number with a fraction. So there's one. See if you can find the other one in here. Okay? And number 8, we're estimating the sum. So you're not going to add 52 plus 16. You have to round 52 and round 16. 2 is a weak number, so you know the 5 would stay the same, and that would round to 50. And 6 is a strong number, so that would push the 1 up to a 2, and you change that to a 0, so it would be 20. So you're going to have 50 plus 20, and you're going to get your answer right there. Okay, on the back of your math today, you're going to be doing some differences, some more subtraction up on the top. Now on this, make sure after you do your subtraction, okay, so you're drawing your lines down, you always need to be bringing this decimal point down. So you're going to go 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then you're going to bring this decimal down to here. So you can even do a little arrow. And it's going to go right here. Sorry, it's kind of messy because I'm writing over the top of my camera there. And then you're going to go 5 plus, or I'm so sorry. Did I add this or subtract it? We're on subtracting. So 0 minus 0 is 0. I think I did that. 6 minus 3 is 3. Bring your decimal down, and then 5 minus 2 is 3. And then bring your 2 down, and don't forget the dollar sign. Alrighty? Number 2, we have a word problem. Sophia bought a set of Grand Canyon postcards that cost $3. She gave the clerk $5. How much change did she get back? Okay, so this one you have to figure out change. So you have to figure out she had $5. Okay, and she gave $3. So do you think you're adding or subtracting to find out how much she has left? You guessed it. It's like that. And then again, don't forget to bring this decimal down. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0. Can you see that better? Sorry about that. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then you're going to put your dollar sign. So it would be $2. Okay. All right. And then on the next one, Dad ate 5½ pancakes for breakfast. Marco ate 5 1/3 pancakes. Who ate the most pancakes? Okay, this one, they even gave you a pancake and you can draw the pictures, so that's helpful. Okay, so let's see. If Dad ate 5 1/2, okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1/2. Okay, so he ate all that. Okay. And then Marco ate 5 3. 5 1/3, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I got to draw a third here. Do you remember how to do that? So this is how much that's how much Marco ate. I'm going to pull back a little bit. So who ate more? Well, if you look at that little end piece, looks like Dad ate the most, because look at this one. The bottom one is Marco and the top one's Dad. So Dad is the one who ate the most. Dad ate them. Okay, the next one is, it says, this is how the tents at the campground are arranged. Mark the combinations that tell how many tents there are altogether. Oh, okay. So this is a little trickier. Do you remember when I told you to find out how many you have to, when you have a group like this, you count how many, or we did this right before we went on break. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, right? 3. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. So a fast way to find out the total is you multiply this number times this number. So let's see if we can find that in here. Yep, right there. See that? Remember we did that on the carpet? I hope you can remember that before we went on break. So you just count how many columns and how many rows. And then you just multiply those two numbers to get the total amount. All right, guys, you have a wonderful day. We'll see you back here tomorrow.